So today I'm going kayak fishing out on Whitewater Lake. The water is super calm at the top, so it's perfect for top water fishing. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what happens. See you later. Whoa, 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 whoa. You gotta go this way. So I just tried to come out on the kayak and I tried standing up fishing on this thing, and look at this thing now. What the? I'm never doing that again. The kayak was not as stable as I thought, and now I have to swim this thing back, and it's so waterlogged. It's so heavy right now, and hopefully I make it back home and I have a life vest so I won't drown, but it's just so annoying right now. At least it's nice and warm out. The water's not that cold, and we're almost there. A couple more piers away. This thing is not at least sinking to the bottom, so that's good. Need to get there. Maybe I'll try back on the pier again, top water, but as soon as I get there I'm gonna probably have to wait like 5-10 minutes, because me coming by, these fish might get spooked, so hopefully they'll come back in 5-10 minutes. We're almost there. It took me like 25 minutes, but I'm only like 2 minutes away, so this thing is still filled with water, but we're so lucky it didn't sink down to the bottom. There's so much seaweed, it's like impossible. Like, look at all this. You can like... You made it back to shore alive. Always have your life vest on. No matter if you can swim, you never know what's gonna happen. But... Alright, now that we are finally back on the pier, we're gonna give the whopper plopper a try. We let the water settle for like 15 minutes, so if any fish were scared and they wanted to come back, they are definitely back right now. Oh yes, yes, the top water produced. Let's go. Oh, this is a pretty good one. This is a pretty good one. Let's go. Let's go. On the whopper plopper. Come over here. Ah, let's go. There he is. Let's go. Wow, I'm so happy. That was awesome. He was sitting over there in the shallow. Got him on that black whopper plopper. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Cast With Us. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Any comments, just comment down below. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode of Cast With Us.